In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a GoToMeeting session effectively. Hosting a meeting on GoToMeeting is a straightforward process that provides a multitude of features, ensuring that your meeting runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's walk through the steps together, starting from your GoToMeeting dashboard. First, from your dashboard, you want to look for the option to Create Meeting. This is where it all begins. Once you click on that, you'll be guided through a variety of options and features that you can tailor to fit the specific needs of your meeting. Begin by entering a meeting title that clearly reflects the purpose or agenda of your session. This is the first step in organizing your meeting and setting the right tone for your participants. Next, select your meeting type. This could be a one-time meeting or a recurring one, depending on your requirements. Having the right meeting type helps ensure that everyone is on the same page about the schedule. If you'll be collaborating with other hosts, you have the option to add co-organizers. This can be particularly helpful if someone else will help manage the session, or if you need assistance with tech support during the meeting. Another great feature offered is the option to enable auto-recording. This can be a game changer if you need to share the meeting with attendees who couldn't make it, or if you want to review the session later. Simply toggle the auto-recording feature on, and your meeting will be recorded from start to finish. For larger or more interactive meetings, you might consider setting up breakout rooms. Breakout rooms allow smaller groups to meet and discuss before rejoining the larger meeting, making them ideal for workshops or team collaborations. Security is always a priority, and GoToMeeting offers end-to-end encryption to protect your data. Along with encryption, you can also add an extra layer of security by requiring a meeting password. If this is something that aligns with your preferences, simply enable this feature when setting up your meeting. To enhance the attendee experience, you have options to personalize the meeting. You might allow attendees to request remote control of the presenter's screen if collaboration is important. Additionally, creating a custom meeting link not only makes the invitation more personal, but also memorable for your attendees. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, don't forget to click Save. With everything set, you can start or schedule the meeting for a future time. And there you have it. Your GoToMeeting is ready to go, tailored to meet all your needs efficiently and securely. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, making it easier for you to utilize GoToMeeting's robust set of tools for your next meeting. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.